welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the 350 again. There's a huge leak on the white pipe of the exhaust. I'll put a clip right here. It's pretty bad. It's just, I don't know why. So the white pipe, like the flex pipe it's called, on the white pipe is leaking like crazy, and the exhaust just doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound like what it should sound like, if that makes any sense. So I have myself a new package. So got myself a new package right here from ISR. It's a white pipe from ISR. I heard pretty good things about the ISR white pipe. Reviews are awesome. Price is right. I mean, it should be better than what I have right now. So this is the white pipe that we have. These are the flex pipes that's bad on my car right now, well, the OEM one. I think it's just like scraped somewhere or something like that. I think it just scraped somewhere or something like that, and there are holes in this, and that's why the exhaust is leaking. I checked all the gaskets and everything, but that's not what it was. I think pretty sure the flex pipe that's leaking, because that's where air is coming out from. But this white pipe is pretty cool. It has this custom like bracket kind of thing. It says ISR, or it says RSI now. There, now it says ISR. It's pretty cool. Other than that, it's pretty good quality. It's not that heavy. But yeah, I can't wait to install this thing. Alright, so I just put the car up on jacks, lift it up all four sides. Also, make sure you put something under there just to be safe. I mean, I know these jacks hold like 2 tons and 3 tons and whatnot, but just be safe. It's better to be safe than sorry. Anyways, under there is no room to see anything. There's 2 bolts on this side, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Mine doesn't sound like that. I don't have a turbo. I wish though. Really wish. So the first thing I'm gonna do before I go in there is put some PB blaster on all of the bolts, because I'm pretty sure they're all rusted. I feel like everything is rusted on this car, so it's just a good idea to just put PB blaster. Alright guys, it's completely rust city under here. Everything is rusted. And one part of this white pipe, we put some like tacky. Everything is full of rust. This bracket here, it's just supposed to be gray. It's completely brown. Everything else in here is also rusted. All these bolts are brown. Just their new color now. They're just brown. Alright, so finally took off this old one, and what I meant by having a leak on the flex pipe is right here, and this one. I don't know if you can see, it's all like bashed up and it's just in bad condition, and you already know when you're lowered you're gonna have these scrapes over here. Alright, so I'm gonna go do a little bit of a cleanup down there, clean up all the gaskets and everything that's left down there, and then we'll put on the new one, and I'm sure that's what everyone's here for. Alright, so I just finished bolting everything up. The new white pipe is on. I hope I don't have any leaks. I'm gonna check right now, and I'm really curious to see how it sounds, and I'll put a clip right now. But as far as that will be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, please like the video. If you don't like it, press dislike, no problem. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'm literally almost done with the things that are wrong with this car, so I'm fixing all the things that are wrong with it, and then hopefully there should be some tasteful mods. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.